Oh, bless Hefyn. He means well, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Talking of meaning well, we mean well.
We do.
Achos mae'n amser I ni roi top tips I chi. Da, da, da.
Top tips.
Right.
Take it away.
Ooh, quiz bach I ti, Matt.
Oh, brilliant.
Iawn ta. Yn Gymraeg, iawn, ac yn Ffrangeg, ac yn Sbaeneg, ond ddim yn Saesneg, there's always, every single word is masculine or feminine. Yeah?
Yes.
So every object like this, like a table, a sofa, a man, a woman, a camera, masculine or feminine. Okay. And what I love, there's no logic to it. So the reason
What do you mean there's no logic to it? So why do it?
Great. Achos, the point of knowing what's masculine and what's feminine, okay, is that it has an impact on other words in a sentence. So, for example, if you were describing something, if it was masculine, you would say mawr after it. If it was feminine, you would say fawr after it. So it causes a change afterwards.
Okay,
yeah?
It causes the treiglo.
Exactly.
Okay.
And also, you know when we're counting, have you heard of like when we go 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4? You count. There's just slightly different ways. Oh,
yeah, it's so confusing.
Basically, what we're going to do is play a little game about masculine and feminine.
I love games.
Na fo, iawn.
Okay.
Okay. Right te. Dwi'n mynd I ddangos llun I ti.
What's that?
Drawing.
Have you drawn me? Is that a picture of your cake?
That's the game, guessing what I actually draw, iawn.
Okay.
Felly, dwi'n dangos llun I ti, a ti'n dweud
Okay.
gwrywaidd, masculine.
Gwrywaidd.
Or benywaidd, feminine.
Okay, gwrywaidd.
Okay. Lorry.
That looks like Optimus Prime, so I'm going gwrywaidd. Masculine.
Benywaidd.
Really?
Ydi.
And Laurie's a girl?
I told you there was no logic.
There is no logic. Okay. Good drawing.
Iawn.
What's that?
Ysgol.
Benywaidd.
Da iawn.
Yeah?
Or in North Wales, ystol.
Okay, I'll remember that with ladders in tights.
Da iawn.
Okay.
Car?
Goiriaeth?
Gwrywaidd.
Gwrywaidd.
Da iawn. Ci?
Oh, that's a good drawing of a key.
Da iawn fi.
Benywaidd.
Gwrywaidd.
Gwrywaidd.
Even if it's a female dog, the word ci is gwrywaidd iawn.
Oh, okay. Gwrywaidd.
Cadair?
Cadair. Gwrywaidd. Benywaidd.
Benywaidd. This is the best. Hwn ydy'r gorau.
Bwrdd.
Bwrdd?
Gwrywaidd.
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 Yn y gogledd. Yn y de, bord, benywaidd. So some words are masculine in North Wales and feminine in South Wales.
Okay, right.
Mae'r Gymraeg mor ffantastig. Beth bynnag, yn ôl at y tip, right? Y tip ydy, mae'n bwysig iawn os ydych chi'n trio cofio, ydy o'n wrywaidd neu yn fenywaidd, defnyddiwch eich dychymyg, use your imagination, fel ladders in tights.
Yes.
Presuming women wear tights under fyd.
Some men wear tights.
Wrth gwrs.
We're not going to judge.
Felly,
Yeah.
defnyddiwch eich dychymyg. Os ydych chi eisiau ni eich helpu chi, cysylltwch ar e-bost neu dros y we, beth bynnag. Iawn ta, rhywun byddai'n gallu rhoi top tips I ni, somebody who could definitely give us a few tips, ydy ein dysgwr ni yr wythnos yma, Stella. Mae Stella yn anhygoel.
Da iawn, Stella.
Incredible.